In this video, we are going to see how we can delete an extra game pass that is appearing on your stand in the Roblox Please Donate. So if you want to delete some of the game passes that you have recently created, here's what you do. First of all, just head over to the browser and log in with the same ID from which you're playing the Please Donate game. And once you do that, click on Create on the top. And then on the left hand side, you will see Creations. Click on that. You click on the three dots, and from here in the Creations, you can see your public place, whatever you have created. So if you want to manage that, you just click on this once and it will open up the settings. So just remember to find the public one if you have multiple experiences. As you can see here, it is public. And from here, you scroll down until you see the monetization category, and here you will see this passes option. You click on that, and for example, first of all, let's create a game pass, test, and create the pass. So let's say that you have created multiple game passes. You just select that game pass, back to passes. You just select that, and once you're in here, you click on the sales, and basically if you have set the item for sale, obviously that's why it's showing the price. So what you do is just toggle that off and save changes. And we go back to passes, and you will see that that specific pass is now off sale. That means it will not appear on the stand and it will be deleted. So this will make it invisible. There is no complete way of deleting it altogether. This is how you do it. It will not appear now in any of the games on the stands. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.